Today I'm going to be making a brassica cage. I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. I first need to move the greenhouse over here in the brassica bed. Now that's moved, I can finally get on with that weeding over there. I could have maybe waited and got some help to move this greenhouse, but it's just a spare greenhouse anyway. It's not getting used as a proper greenhouse, so it's no problem. So it was just easy enough for me to move. And this purple sprouting broccoli is getting harvested today. It's on its last legs now. So I was just putting this now just to see if it would fit, and as I was doing that I noticed there's a bit too many holes, so it wouldn't be worthwhile putting this up while it's got so many holes. So I decided I'm going to take it home, wash it and sew it up. It's a few days later now and I have washed the net. It's all clean and I've been sewing it so all the holes are gone. And I'm here again and it's quite nice. It's 1st June now. And I'm going to try... I was trying to hurry up and finish sewing the net today so I can get it on today because the pigeons have been eating everything. So I'm going to try and net everything today before I have to go home and make tea. It's like 10 to 4 now, so I haven't got long. Hello. Hello. Might actually have enough to fit all the way around. Oh, I haven't a cut. Thanks for helping, Emily. Isn't that good? We finally finished it. And this is what the cauliflower looks like, and the cabbages, before we put the net on. So you can see how good they're going to grow now. Casper, are you all trapped?
Oh, fresh spider's not there from earlier.
I know. Thanks for helping, Emily. And it's got little gaps that I'm going to try and sort out another time. But at least the pigeons can't get in. Because that's what's doing the main damage right now. Oh no, I missed a hole. The butterfly's going to get in there. Oh, Casper. I think you sat on something. At least this protects Casper from getting on them. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please like. I have got a few videos waiting to be edited. It's just a really busy time right now and everything's growing. Bye.